So first iPhone Diaries in a really long time. Decided today that I wanted to get my nose pierced. Decided literally 10 minutes ago that I want it. I've been talking about it for the longest time. Actually about to do it right now. This that you've been seeing for months, for probably over a year now, is a real nose ring, but not a real nose piercing. There's no hole there in my nose. I wear makeup every day, so that's gonna be a challenge. I'll let you guys know how that goes. I actually want a ring, but I know I'm gonna have to have the stud for like a couple months if I'm not mistaken. I'll ask the guy or the girl, whoever's gonna pierce my nose, how that goes. But yeah, so we're headed there now, me and YTC, and we're gonna pierce my nostril. Oh, is it? What?
Look, so there's a Tate's comic book and then Tate's game inside, like that 2 stores.
Noon till midnight. You know what's crazy? This is my second time trying to do something at this place, and the first time I came, there was nobody available to do this tattoo. Where is it? And that's why I had to go to Double Cross, right? And now I come today and the guy says to me, there's nobody to pierce my nose before 6 p.m. He doesn't come before 6 p.m. except on Wednesdays and Sundays. How friggin' convenient is that? It's a sign that I should not get anything done at this place. That's how I'm taking it. Twice? 2 times in a row? Yeah, no. Never coming back here. Okay, so we're headed to Double Cross Tattoos, the place where we went to get the initial tattoos done. And I called them in advance, which is what I probably should have done with Rockabilly. And there's somebody there to do my nose. No, I don't want to show yours. Go away. I'm gonna get it right there. Right there. Do I want it higher than that though? Do I want it like up here? Or do I want it like right here? Right there. Know exactly where this is. Probably gonna have to clean off all my nose makeup. Jesus Christ.
You heard the first ring on 99 James.
You recording?
Yes. Oh. This fool sneezing all day.
So Metro by T-Mobile is giving you more.
It's you. I've been.
I was telling him I had this for like over a year wearing it, so it created that.
Check that out, make sure that's where you want it.
Yeah.
Cool.
The video on the tattoo that I got here. So now we're doing the piercing.
How you feeling? You alright?
That's it?
I just kind of flip the jewelry around, girl. Tilt your head back for a second. Alright.
That was way quicker than I thought, first of all.
Nice and easy. Very important, you want to clean it 3 to 4 times a day. I recommend just regular like Dial antibacterial soap, Dial Gold. Nothing with a scent or deodorant. First and foremost, you want to wash your hands real good first.
So I have a hole in my face now. This is new. We'll see how it goes with wearing makeup every day. There's hair all in my eyeball, but This boy won't open a car. Okay. But he pretty much said that the number one cause for infections is touching it all the time. So I should avoid touching it if I'm not cleaning it, which I don't really touch my face anyways. This is literally right after it happened. So I do feel not pain, but like not numbness, but is tension the right word? I don't know what the right word is, but you do feel around it pressure. That's the word. You feel pressure, or I feel pressure there in that area. He just cleaned it with an alcohol swab because I did have makeup on. He didn't have to clean my entire nose, just that little area. And that's it. I think it's cool. I like it. It's cute, whatever. It's cute, whatever. Do you like it, babe?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's cool, right?
It's not big though, I guess, when you switch it out.
When I put my hoop in?
Your regular, yeah.
After 8 weeks. I like it. And it's one of the hook ones. He had to push it back. Yeah. So if it looks like I have a booger, it's not a booger. It's a nose ring. I'm talking to you, Kyle. Turn that down, please. All right, so I'm home now. This is what it looks like in, I guess, regular house lighting, fluorescent lighting, whatever. I like it. I think it's cool. The darkness that you're seeing around it is from, I think, the marker, and then because I was wearing that little hoop all the time, so it created like a dark mark on my actual nose. So that's what that is. I still feel the pressure. It's been about an hour or so, or a little bit less than an hour since I got it done, but that's it. I like it so far. I'm just coming back on here because I realized I didn't really officially, my kids are trying to get a snack. I really didn't officially close out the video. So this is the closing video. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. If you want me to do like an updated video on this, let me know and I'll do it. But this is it here. I probably will do an updated video on wearing makeup with a fresh nose piercing, something like that. I did get makeup remover wipes. I'll use that, as well as my coconut oil. And I also got he said I can use the Dial Gold antibacterial wash just to clean it, but I have my black soap, so I'll be using that, as well as using the Dial with a Q-tip around the nose area right there. Like I said, I don't touch my face, so I shouldn't have no problems there. But yeah, that's it. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.